Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel that helps you spend your money wisely while keeping you entertained. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing, comparing two heavyweights in the ring, the ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro and the Creality K1C. Buckle up, because it's going to be a wild ride full of molten plastic, extruders, and maybe a few laughs. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the stuff that really matters, the price. On the left, we have the ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro, coming in at a wallet-friendly $249. And on the right, we have the Creality K1C, priced at a whopping $699. Reviewers love the Neptune 3 Pro for its affordability and great value, while the K1C is seen as a premium option with a price to match. So if you're on a budget, Neptune 3 Pro is your new best friend. But hey, if you've got cash to burn, stick around for the K1C's premium features. Now, let's talk about speed. The ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro is like a reliable sedan. It's not gonna win any races, but it gets the job done. The Creality K1C, on the other hand, is like a sports car on steroids. With a max speed of 600 millimeters per second and acceleration of 20,000 millimeters per square second, it's 12 times faster than your average printer. Reviewers have praised the K1C for its blazing speed, making it perfect for those who need quick turnarounds. So, if you have the need for speed and want your prints done in the blink of an eye, the K1C is your Ferrari. Next up, extruders and nozzles. The Neptune 3 Pro sports a dual-gear direct-drive extruder made of high-quality stainless steel. It's like having a Swiss watch mechanism in your printer. Smooth, precise, and reliable. Meanwhile, the K1C has a clog-free direct extruder with a tri-metal unicorn nozzle. Yes, you heard that right, a unicorn nozzle. It's robust, reliable, and can handle carbon fiber filaments like a champ. Reviewers have noted that the K1C's extruder is particularly good for exotic materials. If you're into exotic materials, the K1C is your magical beast. Let's move on to auto-leveling and calibration. The Neptune 3 Pro uses a non-contact high-precision sensor to automatically scan and adjust the Z-axis height, which is like having a personal assistant who never complains. The K1C, though, takes it up a notch with hands-free auto-calibration and dynamic balancing. One tap, and it's ready to go. It's like having a robot butler who also makes you a perfect cup of coffee every morning. Reviewers have praised both systems, but the K1C's hands-free feature is particularly lauded. Now, let's talk about noise. The Neptune 3 Pro operates at a whisper-quiet 47 to 48 decibels. You could print an entire chess set while your baby naps in the next room. The K1C, however, can switch to silent mode, reducing noise to 45 decibels. It's like the difference between a library and a library with a really good soundproofing system. Reviewers appreciate the quiet operation of both printers, making them great choices for home use. Finally, let's discuss smart features. The Neptune 3 Pro has smart resume printing and dual synchronized LED screws for stability. It's like having a car with cruise control and lane assist. The K1C, though, is an AI-powered genius with an AI camera for real-time monitoring and time-lapse photography. It's like having a Tesla with autopilot and a drone that follows you around capturing Instagram-worthy shots. Reviewers love the advanced tech in the K1C, making it a smart choice for tech enthusiasts. Reviews for the ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro highlight its ease of assembly, reliability, and high-quality prints, making it a favorite among budget-conscious users. On the other hand, reviews for the Creality K1C are mixed, with some praising its speed and advanced features, while others report initial setup issues. Overall, the Neptune 3 Pro is seen as a dependable and user-friendly option, while the K1C is viewed as a high-risk, high-reward investment. So there you have it, folks. The ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro and the Creality K1C. Two fantastic 3D printers with their own unique strengths. If you're on a budget and want a reliable, quiet printer, the Neptune 3 Pro is your go-to. But if you're ready to splurge and want blazing speed and cutting-edge features, the K1C is the way to go. Remember, at the end of the day, it's all about what fits your needs and your wallet. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest comparisons. Drop a comment below and let us know which printer you'd choose and why. Until next time, happy printing and stay smart. Buy Smart, family. Product links are in the description.